I'm going to show you an add-on that I found that I could use in Word or PowerPoint. It is called Pickit Images, and I'm going to show you where you can get it from. It is, if you go to Insert, My Add-ins, and you can see I've already downloaded it. It's called Pickit. So if I want to add it to my toolbar, I can click on it and it'll add an icon over here to where I can come and add pictures. So if a student is creating some type of document on Word or, like I said, in PowerPoint, they can use this tool to find pictures that might not necessarily be on the Word application or PowerPoint. So if you go over here, you click on it. Let's say we need a picture of some clouds. We can click on the search and type it in and find pictures of clouds. They're real photos, or you can do illustrations. I just have them searching both. So I can choose the photo I would like, click on it one time, and it's put in there. And this is good for students who are creating brochures or doing a report in order to find different kinds of photos to enhance their project or their products that they're creating. This is definitely something that students would enjoy, being able to add a little bit of their own ideas with their choosing of their pictures in here. So I think that this tool, Pickit Images, would be a great tool for students to use.